How to sign into Bimobimo app. 1. Open the Bimobimo application. 2. Select Sign in with Google. 3. Select Agree and Share. 4. Enter your name. 5. Select your gender. 6. Choose your birthday. 7. Select Confirm. 8. Select Next. 9. Select Contact them. 10. Select Confirm. 11. Select Verify Now. 12. Enter the code that has been sent to your email. Success, you have signed in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.